Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful for you. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel so that I bring you much more interesting and much more useful and much more informative videos in future also. So students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So in last video, my dear students, we were studying actually this double displacement reactions, and we had studied them in detail with examples. So let me recall once again what are double displacement reactions. So in double displacement reactions are those reactions in which there is exchange of positively charged ions, and actually the reactants we take are either two salts or maybe one salt and one acid, mineral acids, because like ionic compounds like salts, mineral acids are also ionic. So my dear students, if you observe any double displacement reactions, then you will observe that either both the reactants are salts mean ionic compounds, salts are ionic compounds actually, or one is salt and one is acid. Acids are also ionic compounds. They also gives ions. And my dear students, since one of the products, we have two products, one of them is always in the form of precipitates in double displacement reactions. So students, this we had actually done. So our today's topic is, now we will actually understand what is the difference between single displacement reactions and double displacement reactions to get more clarity of these topics. So let me tell you difference between single displacement reactions and double displacement reactions. So single displacement reactions I have written here on this side and double displacement on this side. So more in single displacement reactions, you know very well that more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal. And about the reactivity of metals, that is which metal is more reactive, which is less reactive. So this we come to know from our reactivity series, which I have made you also written. So anyway, so more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal. Now we know that sodium is more reactive here, sodium plus magnesium sulfate, and in this equation sodium is more reactive than magnesium. So sodium will displace magnesium and we will get sodium sulfate and magnesium as products. And here both metals, irrespective of their reactivity, displace each other. Once again, both metals irrespective of their reactivity. What is the meaning of irrespective of their reactivity? It means that it does not matter which metal is more reactive, which is less reactive. Both will actually displace each other. For example, we have this silver nitrate salt and sodium chloride salt. I just told you that in double displacement reactions we take salts in reactants. So now here we will not see that which one is more reactive. Just we will, because both will displace each other irrespective of their reactivity. So silver displace sodium and sodium will displace silver, and as a result of that we will get sodium nitrate and silver chloride. And you know very well that which one is the in the form of precipitates. So here, because solid chloride has S with it, so actually this is actually precipitates in our this chemical reaction. Second point is precipitates are not formed in products in case of single displacement reactions, but in double displacement reactions one of the products is of precipitates. So my dear students, I think that single displacement or displacement reactions and double displacement reactions are clear to you. Now let's move towards difference between combination reactions and decomposition reactions. So what is the difference between combination reactions and decomposition reactions? We have already studied these reactions earlier. So in combination reactions, two or more reactants combine to give one single product. Again, in combination reactions, two or more reactants combine to give one single product. For example, magnesium plus oxygen. We have two reactants, that is magnesium and oxygen, and they combine to form magnesium oxide, which is single product. So this is actually example of combination reaction. And in decomposition reaction, one single reactant splits up into two or more products. For example, we have magnesium oxide. This is single reactant, and this is actually decomposing into magnesium and oxygen. So in products we have two products, that is magnesium and oxygen. So single reactant, two products. So this is decomposition reaction. Number two is difference is that combination reactions may be and exothermic, may be endothermic. And you know very well what are exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which energy is produced, and endothermic reactions are those reactions in which energy is required or energy is absorbed. And decomposition reactions are always endothermic. Decomposition reactions are always endothermic. So my dear students, I think that the difference between single displacement reactions and double displacement reactions and difference between combination reactions and decomposition reactions is very, very clear to you. And I hope that when you understood this difference, so more clarity about these reactions you have got. So let's move forward. So my dear students, now based on these the types of chemical reactions which we have discussed, for example, decomposition reactions, combination reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions. Now to actually reinforce your understanding of these reactions, I would like to give you some questions based on these chemical reactions. So these questions now we will take, and I'm sure that you must be able to answer these questions which I'm going to give you. So my dear students, actually what needs in studying science is hard work, practice and patience. So while I'm writing, you should also write along with me. So now the question which I'm giving you is, which type of reactions are represented by the following reactions? Which type of reactions are represented by the following equations? A is My dear students, the question which I am going to give are very very important for you. So please try to answer them. Calcium carbonate is equal to plus heat calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. You have to tell that which type of chemical reaction is this, whether it is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement or double displacement reaction. Second is calcium oxide plus water. Third is magnesium plus copper sulfate is equal to magnesium sulfate plus magnesium. D is silver nitrate plus sodium chloride. My dear students, I have already told you aqueous. This is aqueous. Aqueous means that sodium chloride is dissolved in water. Similarly, silver nitrate is dissolved in water. This is equal to silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. E is magnesium plus nitrogen is equal to magnesium nitride, Mg3 and 2. F is magnesium oxide. This is solid, this is gas, this is solid. Last one is copper sulfate plus sodium hydroxide is equal to sodium sulfate copper hydroxide. So, my dear students, this is question for you. This question has actually 7 parts. So, if you are able to give answers of these questions, that is well and good. And if you are not able, then please watch our previous videos. One more question I would like to give you. So once again I am telling you, calcium carbonate plus heat is equal to calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide plus water is equal to calcium hydroxide plus heat. Magnesium plus copper sulfate is equal to magnesium sulfate plus magnesium. Silver nitrate plus sodium chloride is equal to silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. Magnesium plus nitrogen, magnesium nitride. Magnesium oxide plus heat is equal to magnesium plus oxygen. Copper sulfate plus sodium hydroxide is equal to sodium sulfate plus copper hydroxide. So my dear students, these are questions. One more question I would like to give you. That is also very important question. So please note that these questions are very, very important and may be asked in your exams. And these questions are also to test your understanding of the topics. So please take them seriously. Now, one more important question which is generally asked in exams is, a white colored substance was placed in sunlight for some time. It was seen that it turned grey. It was seen that it turned grey after some time. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. A is, why white colored substance turned grey? Why white colored substance turned grey. B part is, what is the role of sunlight during the reaction? What is the role of sunlight in this reaction? C is, give the name and chemical formula of the reactants and products in this reaction. Give the name names and chemical formulas of the reactants and the products of this reaction. So my dear students, this is question for you. A white colored substance was placed in sunlight for some time. It was seen that it turned grey after some time. Answer the following questions. Why white colored substance turned grey? Second is, what is the role of sunlight in this reaction? Third is, give the names and chemical formulas of the reactants and products of this reaction. So my dear students, let me tell you that hint of this question. Silver chloride is white in color and silver bromide is light yellow in color. This is white and this is light yellow. And the color of silver is gray, you know very well. Now this is hint for you, and if you are not able to answer this question, then please watch our previous videos, and you must be, after watching them, you must be able to answer these questions. So my dear students, this is all for today. So if you like our channel, if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. So thank you very much for watching our video. So see you in next video. Thank you.